This video is mainly about the treatment of missing values. There are three methods to treat the missing values. Generally, missing values to be below 10%. That gives the data responsiveness. So, always to maintain the threshold of 10% of missing value is better for the analysis. So, in order to improve the accuracy, it will be better and also to get the results which is out of bias. First, we can go to the expectation maximization method. For this, first we have to go to analyze. We can choose missing values. Here, this variable 1 has the missing value. We can able to see here. So, missing value is there, as well as especially here we can find the missing value. So, we can push this variable inside. Tick this, actually default you have to tick the EM expectation maximization. What is this expectation maximization? The system itself could able to predict, anticipate the occurrences of the missing values. So, it would able to find out the better fashion, better pattern of the data set, could able to generate and give. Actually, it is by applying the all possible mechanism of filling with mean, median, variance, or with the regression score, or to find out with all the methods, system could able to predict which is the best pattern, which would be the best response to that particular missing values. So, based on that, data will be imputed. So, we can click EM, then default save completed data will not be there. We have to click this. Then we can find a new creation of new data set would be there. For this, you have to give a title, maybe any title. Say here I am giving R. So, I am giving continue. Click OK. So, now I could able to find the system would generate a new data set called as R, where it has imputed the filling values, missing values for this variable 1. See, you can find all values have been filled. See, in between we have the missing value. So, now all have been filled. So, here we can copy this and take it to the original master database. See, we have the master database here. So, we can copy this and paste. System will take this as yes, variable 2. We can rename and you can use it. Okay. So, now I want to do here for subjective variables, you can, for especially for Likert scaling and other cases, we can use this expectation maximization. For demographic variable, researcher has to find the logic, because for the whole numbers we can't able to make it as mean. So, for male or female or for number of dependents, it is generally it will be a sort of say non-sync. Data will be incoherent if you give the mean there. So, as per the logic we have to fill. There is one more option to treat this missing value. You can use this recode into different variable, choose this variable, then as usual we can give the a new name for this variable, and we can choose the system missing. Then you can treat with the mean or median score, whatever it may be we want. We can give and we can give continue. Then automatically the fillers will be there for this particular empty spaces called as a missing values. And one more option is there. We can choose, we can treat transform, replace missing values. We can choose this variable. You can ask the system to fill mean or mean by nearby points, not taking all means, mean by nearby points, or median, or linear interpolation, or linear trend at a point. What is the difference between this is interpolation is taking all the scores and considering the linearity, and based on that will fill the data, or I can take the trend of that and find the linearity pattern, and then it will do it. So, as per our understanding we can fill it out. Here I want only series mean. So, I am fixing mean and giving OK. Automatically my data set will be filled with the treated with the missing value. So, this is the understanding. Okay, so this is with respect to this replace missing value. So here we have a new variable called as variable 1_1, which is a new variable that we have created by the data set, which is by using the menu called as a transform replace missing values choosing as per this. No, I don't want that. Nearby points means it will generate a new variable name. Change in existing name, cancel. If you want to give the new variable, you can give. So here you are asking the system to do, yes, nearby point. So it will be a variable 1/2. So give OK. Now if you give OK, automatically your data set will have a new variable. So this would be somewhat different. When you check this missing value only, you can understand. So somewhat your data set will be, see here. Here it is 6 and here it is 5.191. So likewise we can able to do the missing value treatment. With this I am ending missing value.